look of 2019 is up and ready. So let's get going. So first thing, I'm going to be taking the eBay 180 palette. I'm going to be taking the purple that I just showed you guys out of the palette. And I'm going to be taking that purple shade. I'm going to apply it right to the crease, all the way to the bridge of the nose. And I'm going to be bringing it downward to the lower lash line. I kind of like how it turned out. So I'm just trying a different method. Alright, so I'm going in with the pinks, the two pinks that I just showed you guys right here, these two pinks. And I'm going to take the two pinks and I'm going to apply it in the crease right at the socket. And what I'm going to do with that, it may seem like the pink is overpowering the purple, but it's really not. It's not. It's just a more intimidating color. And all I did was just, you know, apply it right under the purple and also at the bridge of the nose and the lower lash line. And then what it did, just gave it a pretty gorgeous ombre look. So don't be afraid to, you know, bring out the bold colors. And after that, I am going in with Catcall, and I'm going to be taking Catcall, and I'm going to be applying Catcall in the crease. And also, it's like we're applying a lot of colors in the crease, and it's not really a challenge. You just got to find that socket right in the center, you guys. It's all, and get the perfect brush. That's all you need. The perfect brush, that combo that you need. It's just perfect. So all I'm doing is doing the same method. I'm just repeating the steps, and I'm just going to be applying it, but I'm using a little bit of black. I don't want to use So I'm trying something a little bit different. I usually don't do this, but I am going to carve out the lid and the crease with a primer and see what the difference is about it. And I tried to do that, and it worked. It did okay. It was a little bit thick for my liking, but I like the way it looks. So it's Beauty by Deanna approved. Hello. So I kind of like the way it looked. I mean, it really controlled the lid space, and also the brush controlled the lid space a lot, because usually whenever I go in with concealer, it takes a while and I have to take my finger and go back and try it again, you know, fix up spaces. But then again, you don't have to worry about it creasing so much on the eyes. So this is concealer that I am using is Muse Cosmetics. I have gave this concealer a review. And for this type of method, I would use it for, but all over primer, I wouldn't use it for, because it dries quickly. So, I mean, I would like for it to dry quickly if I'm going to have eyeshadow up under it, but then again, I'm like, no. But I like this method so far. I'm going to be going in with Midnight, and I'm going to be taking Midnight, and I'm going to be taking the Midnight, and I'm going to be taking it right next to that orange color that we did apply to the lid. Kind of blend it in with the orange shade that we took from the eBay 180 palette, and kind of make sure that it does not overlap, but make sure it's just blended and beautiful. Just wanted to step in and say that this eyeliner brush from BH, the newest brush line that I just did a review on, it'll be linked below. Thank Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this amazing brushes. This eyeliner brush, it literally gets the areas where I need to do a wing liner. Like, it just saves my life. Like, I struggle to this day doing a wing liner, and it saved me. Okay? So this is like my go-to eyeliner. Of course, I'm going to take some mascara, and I'm going to take the X Lash mascara and apply it to my upper and lower lash line.